Hello everyone, Natalie here. Welcome back to our SEMRUSH series. But before we go ahead and talk about our main topic for today, I just want you all to know about this awesome tool that we have going on in Serpwizz. And if you want to check out the lead generation tool that I have been or that I have mentioned, definitely head on over to serpwizz.com, where you will also be able to get a free guide that shows you how Serpwizz is generating $3,437 per month on autopilot. And if you want to check that tool out, definitely go now to serpwizz.com. It is a lead generation tool that allows you to have white label audits on your website. So do check that out, and afterwards do come back here and hear me out on this amazing, equally amazing tool that SEMRUSH offers. It is actually an X tool in their bench, which you can access when you go here on this tab and head on over to surround sound. So yep, let's go click this one. So surround sound is something that allows you, or a tool that allows you to know where your customers are, because as we all know, customers, especially those online, are never in the same place at the same time. So it is important to know where exactly they are so that you can easily penetrate or encourage them to have engagements with your business, maybe in terms of marketing strategies, advertising strategies, and the likes of that. But yeah, SEMRUSH Surround Sound is or will give you a fast integrated solution to help you reach more customers through organic search. So we're gonna look at the tool later on, but here, as I have mentioned earlier, it allows you to be where your customers are, of course searching online. So it tells you whether your customers are in review sites, Reddit, Quora, blogs, and all of those affiliate sites, news sites, and social media. Wherever they are, you need to be there when they are. So surround sound, it gives you the opportunity to know where exactly your customers are, and therefore give you also actionable data to influence the customer journey and increase organic traffic and sales for your business. So it also allows you to optimize your brand for search, increase conversions from organic traffic, and collaborate and track team progress. So all of these you can get if you utilize the Surround Sound tool by SEMRUSH. So here is an example of what it's gonna look like when you utilize the tool. So you can find hidden SERP opportunities for your brand. So SERP is search engine results page. Of course, it's important to rank in the SERP because it just tells how engaging your website is and how well it is doing amongst your competitors. So it also allows you to take the guesswork out of your visibility strategy. And what does it mean? It allows you or enables you to create targeted brand strategies and measure your audience reach and organic content visibility growth over time. So I know that's a mouthful. I know that's a lot to take in, but these are all very important data that you need in order to have better visibility or have better strategies that will allow your business to move forward with better results. So here's just some steps that you can take in order to utilize surround sound. So first, open your cloud-based dashboard, search for your brand, and then create an action plan, and finally monitor your progress. And by collaborating with your teams and track your brand visibility growth in one place, you will be able to absolutely reach more success in your industry. So being able to collaborate with your team will also give an added strength to your strategies, because being able to gather everyone in and being on the same page, that really just works. And here's just some testimonials from different users of surround sound, just to prove how amazing and how effective this tool really is. So let's take a look. Let's click this try it out button and see what this is going to do for us. So you can have a look at the demo campaign. If you want to have a look at this one, go on over to SEMRUSH.com and access the extra tools on the tab that I've shown you earlier, and you will be able to see this one, and you can watch the demo campaign, or you can also create your first campaign. So creating this is very easy. If you see here, this is exactly how it works. So to set up a campaign, you will need a list of keywords and your brand name. So if you want additional insights, you can also use keywords that are difficult to rank for in the SERP. You can also add your brand domain and competitors to get even better data, more insights about the tools or about the data that you need. And after that, the tool will go through several processes in order to show you the best results moving forward. So first is always gathering search results, and oops, you just click back on it, and then it analyzes your page content as well. So this is an example, and finally it will show you the results according to its findings and according also to the information that you have inputted. So once it's done, you have the successful campaign set up, and then moving forward it will just change according to the new results that will come by, and you can utilize those information as you go forward with your business. So that is exactly how surround sound works. If you want to try this out, as I've mentioned earlier, do head on over to SEMRUSH.com to have first-hand experience with surround sound. Other than that, we hope that you can also drop by and have a look at Serpwizz.com and our lead generation tool. Actually, we have a free guide that will show you how Serpwizz is generating thousands of dollars a month on autopilot. So I'm just gonna leave the link on the description box below for you to check it out. And before doing so, of course, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and hopefully we see you on the next video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.